And so you can go through those kind of blue chip stocks. For example, you can go through Tesla. Okay, Tesla is really strong out. So in bigger time frame, it's in the bigger time frame, it's no doubt about it is that the stock indexes is going higher. Okay, it's going higher. Do you think that stock indexes will be going back to this low? It's not really likely, to be honest, unless we have certain quite there yet. So I'm expected it's not really likely to go through here or maybe even here. So right away, I'm expecting that the price is quite likely to continue going higher. So that's just the reasons behind of it. So is there any reasons to stock indexes going lower? Okay, let's key in. Is it any reasons? Maybe physical policy might be one of the factors. Maybe there's some mentioned Federal Reserve, and people has been speculating that we'll be cutting rates on 25 basis point in December. So we are likely to see that the stock indexes is going higher. Okay, so this is one of the thoughts that the stock indexes, why stock indexes is going higher. So right now, let's talk about what we're going through. Been going quite high, people will be no rather don't rather to push a price higher. Why? Because you need much more liquidity and much more cash. So once because of that situation, the price will be rebalancing down and rebalancing to where you can see that this is what we call a fair value gap, the value area. So we can see that this is the 50% as well, the value area, and the price has been forming some kind of supports. So going back to the 1 hour time frame, what we can see, okay, we can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the price has been forming some kind of fair value gap from here. Okay, so this is might be the last push of the down move. Okay, so you can see the price has been forming here, grabbing this liquidations, rebalancing back, and then going much more lower to grab the last liquidity area. So if I wanted to, I think we can actually doing long positions right here and putting our stop loss below and aiming. And we are likely to see the stock indexes to go on the higher sides. Maybe not that much higher this week, but we are likely to see the prices definitely has a chance to break through here, or maybe even here, or even here. So this is really a good time to do long positions, and we are speculations that the price is going on the higher sides. Okay, stock indexes is one of the things that you can let us, okay, let us summary. So what's the reasons behind of it? Okay, so as I already mentioned, we need to know the reasons behind of it. Okay, reasons behind of it. What's the reasons that the stock indexes has been going higher? Okay, the economy has been expanding, monetary policy has been going higher, physical policy is also going strength. So we are likely to see the price till Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. UK time. And if you do really like wanted to, you can also join our Signal group on the bio section as well. So if you do really enjoy our content in our analysis as well, please give us a like, follow, like, and subscribe, and do give us your support. Okay, this is stock indexes. This is SP 500, okay, stock indexes. So you can trade futures. I think should be the same. Maybe the spread, the price might be some kind of difference. Okay, futures is different with CFD. So futures and CFD is might be different, but I think it's nonetheless is about the same thing. Okay, because the price has been rebalancing out, it's a matter of time the price will be breaking through this high. Okay, do you think that the stock indexes will be going lower in the next year, or do you think that the stock indexes is going higher? Okay, it's definitely is going higher. Okay, so doing long in stock indexes is much more rather than doing shorts. Okay, unless you are really on a short-term trader and in the longer time frame, if you are need to boost your winning rate, the price is definitely going higher. Okay, so this is the reasons behind of it. Next, okay, next let's talk about the crude oil. Okay, crude oil is one of the best pairing that I really like too. Okay, so if you do remember, okay, give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so remember if you do really follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. UK time. And you can also join our Signal group as well on the bio sections. Please do give us your like and subscribe and give us your supports. Okay, everyone, do give us your supports, and hopefully everyone do learn something new today. I hopefully that everyone new learn something new and will be definitely keep on sharing on our live streaming. Okay, okay, so subscribe and give us a like. Okay, so right away, let's talk about the most important pairing that everyone do really look into. That is the gold market. So what is going on the gold market? Okay, so gold market, we actually have been doing some kind of analysis before, but let me talk about it much more details. The price is reaching here and the price has been going lower, imbalance, okay, balance, imbalance, rebalance, imbalance, and some sort of going on. So right now the price has been reaching through the weekly fair value gap area. So from this point onwards, this might be much more clearer. So you can see that the price has been think that the goal is going higher. Okay, as I already mentioned, we need to have reasons behind of it. Goal is definitely not really going pushing higher. Okay, so let me tell you why. From the technical and also the technical and also the fundamental. Okay, from the monthly standpoint, from the monthly perspective, okay, we can see that the gold market has been going 8,000 points or 8,000 pips, so on. So you can see that has been going higher. Okay, so what's the reasons behind it? Okay, so one is that the price is going higher. Okay, so why is that the gold has been going higher? Okay, there's a few reasons why. Okay, so there's a few reasons why that the gold has been going higher. Okay, what is that? Why gold reach new high? Okay, this is okay, why go reach new high? Okay, the first reason is that the market has been reaching through a really uncertainty. So why? The economy is going not quite stable. Economy it's not stable. at the moment in the first period of time. Okay, it's not stable in the first sector. Okay, and we can have geopolitical intentions. Okay, geopolitical intentions. Okay, this is also one of the facts, and we also have dropping interest rates, monetary policy as well. Okay, monetary sector, we can see that the employment has been reaching 4.2. I think it's higher than the Federal Reserve expectations, and because of that, they actually cutting rates in March or July, if I'm not mistaken, in that area. And after that, other countries, other central banks has been following on their footsteps. So we can see that Australia, the New Zealand, the UK, the US, except for Japan and other countries has been following. Switzerland, Canada, other countries have been dropping big. So once dropping rates, what will be causing the dollar, the value of the currencies will be dropping, and this will be likely to boosting commodities like gold. Okay, so right now, what I'm thinking that the gold is going higher. Okay, first reasons is that this economy is not stable. It's not really true. So the economy system not stable is not really true. As I already mentioned, the price has been the economy is quite stable. So if the economy is quite stable, do you think that the market ROI, such as the stock indexes, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so on. So this is not the facts. Geopolitical intentions has been dropping down, even though that today has been announcing some kind of news. I won't be talking that much, but the market has been digesting on this news as well. So this is one of the factors might be also dropping down. And the monetary policy is also the Federal Reserve might be holding their rates in the future, so maybe dropping 25 slower than expectations. So the gold market is likely to reaching through on the lower side. So this is what I'm thinking about why that the gold is going lower, and also the U.S. new presidents might be also giving and boosting higher on the data. So we are expected that the gold is likely to go lower. Okay, going back to the technical perspective. Okay, what if we are just using price actions? Okay, just fully price actions, no any economy, no any fundamental. What? How do we determine the price is going higher? The price is going higher high and higher low. Okay, so this is the basics. Okay, the higher high and higher low, and what the price is going through higher high again, and the price is going higher low, maybe something like that, and the price is continue going higher high. Okay, so from this point onwards, what we can see, the price has been continue going higher high, higher low, higher high, and the price has been breaking through this. So we can see it's probably like new high, and the price from here onwards has been going not breaking through low and not breaking through high, maybe rebalance or ranging area from this point onwards, but nonetheless, other than that, next candle has been breaking through higher high, higher high, breaking through higher high, and what we can see right now is that the market has been breaking through this low. Okay, this low. So do you think that the market is likely to close above this candlestick this month? Not likely, to be honest. So it's not really likely that the price will be breaking through and going higher. That's probability, but there's a few probability, but it's not likely. So let's go through the candlestick before. So you can see once the price has been closing below, it's not really likely that the price will be closing above. Okay, for this example, so you can see the price closing above, ranging, okay, closing above below, and then not closing above, and we'll be usually giving one side. This might be happening once and few times, but not exactly that much. So you can see going low, closing low, closing high, closing high. This might be also second time. Okay, second time, and usually this kind of situations might be forming some kind of reversal if that really happens. Okay, so if the gold market do really close above back to this level, then we might be thinking that the market might be, market might be continue going high. But if in this month the gold has been closing below this monthly low, maybe closing below 2,606, then we are likely to see the gold market is closing lower. Okay, so the closing price is really important. If the price do really close above, then we might likely to see some kind of thing. Or maybe the price do really close above, then we are likely to see some reversal. If not, in my short period of time, or maybe my perspective right now is that the market is likely to go lower. Okay, as I already mentioned, price do close lower, then it's likely to continue close lower. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be doing live streaming every day. Okay, okay, we can remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. UK time. And if you want to know more about it, you can also join our signal group at the bio sections as well. So if you do really wanted to know more about it and more signals, we do have provided signals as well at the signal group, okay, at the bio sections. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely keep on sharing you the latest insights and also the latest informations to you guys. Okay, so remember to give us your like and subscribe. Okay, so let's see. There's some of the questions. The momentum candle is demand, the middle candle is demand. Okay, I agree. Okay, thank you for someone agreeing me. Okay, but if you do really have any questions, please do really leave your comment section below and I will be definitely answer your questions. Okay, so if you do really have any questions, please do leave your comment section. Please do leave your comment at the comment section below and I will be answering your questions. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. Okay, so let's go back from the gold market perspective. Okay, so as I already mentioned, the market is not really likely to close above, not really likely. If that really happens, then okay, meaning by that is the really strong reversal. Okay, but from the time being, I'm thinking that the market is actually what is actually rebalancing out. So where does it rebalancing to? So from the weekly perspective, this is what I already doing analysis for you guys. Okay, from the monthly, we can't see any informations. From the weekly perspective, what we can see, the price is failed to displace. Once has been failed to displace, and I already mentioned is likely to go lower and lower. So right now, the market has been going through what we call a rebalancing. So because of that, we'll be using 4 hour time frame. So where is it rebalancing to? We'll be rebalancing to a weekly range, uh, monthly range, daily. Let's see, going that point onwards, maybe around this imbalance. But let's see, is it true? Going back, maybe around this level. Yeah, maybe around 56 or 70. Maybe around this. Okay, going back to the 4 hour time frames. Let's see, is it legit? So going back, reaching back. Yeah, I think it's probably around this area. Okay. So right now I'm thinking that the market is actually rebalancing back. So from this is a 4 hour rebalancing. So I'm definitely using 4 hour time frame to see what is going on. So from this point onwards, we can see that the market has been reaching through and is likely to go back to this liquidity area. So in a short period of time, I'm thinking that the price of gold might be going back to this level, and once it's been going this level, might be slowing down on the uptrend momentum, but we need to see about it. But from the time being, you can see that the market has been continue going higher and higher. Okay, for example, yesterday we can see that the price has been reaching through this thing. The price has been reaching through this fair value gap. So once the price has been reaching through this fair value gap, okay, you can see that price has been reaching through And once the price is very true, you can see that this is actually giving us a really good time to do long positions. Long positions. Once this manipulations, displacement, rebalance, then this is a really good time to do long positions. And the price has been continue going higher. So right now, what we can see is that the price is also the same, forming here, going back to the manipulations. Okay, people thinking do shots, manipulations, displacement, and this is what we call a rebalancing. So you can see, I think it's around this area. Okay, maybe around this area. So you can see this is the area of or the block, and then the price has been going higher, reaching through this area. So right now the market has been forming some kind of support from here. Okay, so going back, we'll be using 1 minute to see how the price react. Okay, so the price has been going through and disrespecting on this area. So you can see that the market is facing some kind of this. So I'm likely to see some kind of going lower. If you wanted to, I'm thinking that you can actually doing long positions once the price has been going lower from 2629 or 2628. If the price do really go through this area, I'm thinking that the price might be going back towards upwards. Okay, so this is the rebalancing to efficiency in the smaller time frame, and the price might be reaching back, giving a last push on the lower sides, and then after that, the price will be going back towards upwards. Okay, maybe reaching back here, maybe even lower. So you can see the price has been reaching through what we call this imbalance. So the right away, the market will be going lower. And I'm thinking that most likely will be reaching back to this low. So another factors you can try to do is using this as 50%. So if the price do really close below 50%, this is a really good time to do long as well. So it's below this range. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we continue doing live streaming and live signals as well, giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so right away, I'm thinking that the gold market is likely to go higher and reaching through this level. So doing long is probably a good thing. So doing long positions is definitely a good thing. So this is 10 p.m. The lowest reaching through. Yeah, the price might be continue going higher and reaching through this level. Okay, so you can see the price has been rebalancing down, probably reaching through this low to be honest. And then once the price has been grabbing it again, then we might be kind of try to do long position. See, you can see that the price has been going rebalance and definitely has a chance to go this low. So if this low has been taken, has been swiping off, then we can see that this might be a really a manipulation phase, and we can likely to see the price is continue going high. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to, we have been giving you the latest insights, what I'm thinking. Okay, third week usually arranging or retracement. Okay, market usually will be going three phases: balance, imbalance, and rebalance. And another thing is that currently market has been digesting the election sentiment, so currently the market is rebalancing. So for example, gold has been rebalancing, gold has been rebalancing. Okay, so you can see this is what I'm talking about. Once the market has been grabbing this liquidity, then we are likely to see the market is continue going higher. So you can see this is what the market react. Okay, so as I already mentioned, you can try to do long from here at the 50%. And once the price has been grabbing here, then you can actually do long positions and waiting for the price to go here, here, or maybe even here. Okay, so this is what I thought about it. So if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And in the next couple of live streaming, we'll be definitely sharing you the latest information as well, much more on the order flow, what is going on, where is the market manipulations, and so on. I'm a swing trader, so usually I'll be giving some kind of clues about about on the what we call the weekly time frame, the weekly expectations, and weekly time frame. Okay, so right now, as I already mentioned, the price has been grabbing this liquidity. So meaning by that, it's in a short period of time, the price won't be going this low, and the price is going higher. reaching here, or maybe reaching here. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do remember we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. UK time. Join our signal group on the bio sections, and definitely you can learn something new. My live streaming usually will be giving out some kind of the fundamentals. What is the market sentiments? What is going on the markets? Is it risk asset going higher or safe heresy has been going higher and some sort? Okay, so if you do really enjoy live streaming, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be definitely giving you the latest insights. Okay, so right now, as I already mentioned, see the gold market has been continuing going higher. Okay, what do you think about copy trading? Okay, copy trading. Copy trading is actually one of the trending right now. This is actually a good question. Copy trading is actually trending right now. Okay, as it's much more transparencies, and I really think that copy trading is much more flexible comparing to other fund management product. Okay, so you can see that currently it's the trending of copy trading from the cryptocurrency platform like Bybit. I'm not so sure Binance have copy trading, but I for sure Bybit have. Binance might be having as well, and other brokers also has been doing live. I mean, copy trading. Copy trading is one of the trend. It's definitely growing. So this is my thought. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday. Okay, dollar index. Let's see the dollar index has been going. What is going on? Yes, dollar index is probably going on the higher side, as I already mentioned. Boom, boom, boom. 50%, 1 hour time frame, maybe reaching back to this level. There's chances, and the price going higher. But nonetheless, I'm thinking that the gold market is going higher. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so you can see the gold market has been reaching to new high. So if you do long positions right here and putting your stop loss 10 pips, I think you can get 1 to 2. Right now, you can put your stop loss to break even point and expectations that the price is going here. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really learn something, okay, and giving you the latest insights and the latest informations. And if you do really like it, we keep on sharing you the latest insights and the latest informations. Hopefully people learn how to trade and learn how to do analysis as well. Okay, so if you do really like it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely keep on doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. Okay, so hopefully everyone have their thoughts about it. So next, I'll be sharing you one of the indicators that I usually use. So let's go back to the maybe you guys think that this might be boring, but this is actually a really good thing. So giving you some tips and tricks. So let's see. Okay, PowerPoint. Okay, so right now we're sharing you this. This is actually the sector map. So this is actually showing you guys on which sector is going strong, which sector is going weak. So this is the previous closing date. So from this point onwards, we can see that the stock indexes has been slightly to reach through some kind of supporting area. So this is one of the things. So from this point onwards, we can see that the Apple, the Tesla, the Google, the Meta, the financial industry has been forming some kind of supports, and some kind of everything has been forming some kind of supports. So right now, maybe is the best time to do trading on the stock indexes. If you're thinking that doing stock indexes, I will be suggesting you one of the strongest. I'm thinking that one of the stable stock is Walmart. Okay, Walmart, Costco, Tesco, Targets. Those three companies is definitely a strong one. You can see that even though that the market has been digesting on the Trump sentiment, trading sentiment, the but Walmart, Costco, and Targets didn't really affect it much. So I'm thinking that these stocks might be continue going higher in the near future. But if you think that you are like much more a swing and much more rather to have a really big swing, so you can focusing on Tesla, or you can focusing on Google, Apple, Meta, and some sort and so on. Okay, so you can also can focusing on others like like crude oil, Apple, and so on. So remember, if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe, and do remember to join our live streaming sessions. Okay, so next is the currency strength index. From the currency strength index, what we can see, okay, okay, from the currency strength index, what we can see, currency strength index is actually showing you the sentiment of the market. So right now we can see that the dollar index is going weaker, the JPY is going strong. Other than that, the commodity currencies has been showing some kind of support. So you can see that in a short period of time, AUD New Zealand pairings might be going higher. Other than that, we can see from this sentiment, what we can see is that the market is forming some kind of supporting area from the commodity currencies. So like AUD pairings, New Zealand pairings, and some sort. Okay, and this has been putting some kind of pressure on the risk assets. I mean, safe haven currencies such as the USD, JPY. Okay, nonetheless, we are thinking that AUD, New Zealand CAD will be definitely going on the higher sides. Okay, okay, so right away we can see that the commodity currencies has been gaining strength and has been putting pressure on safe haven currencies. So this is what we can see about it. Okay, so going back and right away, let's see on the stock gold market. So as I already mentioned, gold market is going higher. So you can see once the price has been going through a last push, people by thinking to do shorts, but actually is rebalancing out. So where is it rebalancing to this value area? So this might be what we call the value area, grabbing the last liquidity push, and then the price has been continue going higher. So you can see that this is how does the market works. Balance, rebalance, imbalance, and so on, so on. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. This is what we teaching you guys. Yesterday, we also teaching you the latest informations as well. Okay, third week will be usually a retracement or ranging area, balance, imbalance, and rebalance. Market has been digesting the election sentiment and right now is going through a rebalancing phase. Usually, I already mentioned that the price. Next time I will be telling you guys. Okay, next time I will be saving some informations from tomorrow. I will be telling you guys why the price usually will be forming a trending market on the second week and will be usually forming some kind of retrenchment. It depends, but usually will be happening some retrenchment. I will be teaching you guys how I think about the markets and how I know about this. Okay, so right now, okay, if you have any questions, please remember to leave your comment at the comment section below. And if you have any questions, and if you think that you are really like our content about it, please give us a like. Okay, remember to give us a like. Okay, like and subscribe. So like it and subscribe. Okay. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, and we'll be also doing it on 11 to 2 p.m. So remember to join us and remember to give us a like. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. UK time. Join our signal group on the bio sections. We'll be also announcing. Usually, we'll be giving out 2, 3 to 5 readings signals, 3 to 5 signals per day, and our winning rate is quite high as well. If you do really like it, you can join us. Okay, so remember, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely doing it by tomorrow as well. Okay, so remember, if you do really like us, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be doing on the live streaming sessions on tomorrow onwards as well. Okay, later on, I will be passing back to my next partner, Steven. Steven is much more fundamentalist and also the technical part as well. He usually will be using technicals and fundamental to combining together and giving you the signals that you're getting on. His signal is quite great and the winning rate is also quite high. I see that his trading signals is actually getting from maybe race 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, but the winning rate is really quite high. So if you do really like it, please stay tuned for the next live streaming. Okay, I'll be ending around 5 to 6 minutes. So if you do really like me, please give us a like and subscribe, and remember to give us a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave the comment section below. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming tomorrow onwards. Okay, so yeah. Okay, we have already mentioned the price is going this. Right now, the gold dollar index is going higher. Thinking that this is actually a really good one as well. So this is the imbalance that the price is going through. So you can see the price has been going through this imbalance. So probably might be going back to the lower to this value area. Okay, so this might be the last push, and this is also might be the last push of the gold market. Okay, last push of the gold market. So I where is it? Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, so as I already mentioned, the price has been going up, going low, and oh, okay, the going low, and the price has been going here, and the price has been going this high. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue doing a live streaming sessions with you guys tomorrow. Okay. Hopefully I can see you guys tomorrow so that we can grow together, trade together, and also learn together. Okay. So remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Giving you the insights of the markets and also giving you the insights of my expectations. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 p.m. Join our Signal group on the bio sections. Okay, so hopefully I can see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully everyone their uh have, have their thoughts about it. Tomorrow I will be discussing about why I'm thinking that usually will be second week will be the trending market, third week will be going arranging, and the fourth week will be going through a balance. Okay, it's actually the same reasons behind it, balance, imbalance, and then rebalance again. Okay, but nonetheless, I'll be discussing it much more details about it tomorrow onwards. Okay, so remember to give us a like, and hopefully I can see you guys tomorrow, same time, same day, and not same day, same time, same time, and same people. Okay, so hopefully, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we probably will be ending my sessions, and I'll be will pass to my next partner. Okay, so if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely giving you the latest insights. Okay, go. We have been giving signals just now, and it's really going great. The risk reward ratio is about 1 to 6. It's quite great. As I already mentioned, the gold market is going higher, reaching through this liquidations, and the price has been continued going higher. Okay, I think this is actually the most important thing is using the right time frame. If you are using the right time frame, then I'm thinking that you're probably on the right track. Okay, so okay, so thank you for everyone joining, and I'll be passing to my next partner, Steven. As I already mentioned, he's much more fundamentals and also the technical part as well, using fundamental and technical to combining and giving you one of the best strategy as well. The winning rate is quite high, and also the profit is quite huge as well. So remember to watch on and stay tuned. Thank you for joining, and we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, I can see you guys tomorrow onwards. Thank you and have a nice trading day.
lower, I hope that you guys could do so, but I'm not seeing that chances for now. So I have already adjusted the entry prices, and stop losses I'll be putting in a much safer range around 2650. For safety reasons, if anything goes wrong, I'll be readjusting the stop losses because I'm giving a pretty huge stop losses ranges, so in order that our trade still could go well if there's a huge volatility coming up, just in case anything goes wrong on the market. Putting a very tight stop losses as well, but we'll know. I'll usually give a pretty tight first profit target. If you guys wanted to get more on that, you could check out our link. Okay, so there you go. I'll be typing right now that price target that I'm giving out to you guys. So as usual, so if you guys wanted to get those signals, make sure that you guys click on that link and join our free trading signal channel, guys. Okay, so we are buying near that range, and we'll be updating anything happens in the market. And let's say if I do miss out on anything, you could let me know, and I'll be happy to update with you guys what really happened on the market as well, guys. Okay, but for now I think we are making a pretty decent profit out of the trades right now, so I'm not that worried on the market for now. Alright, I have released the most detailed price target on our trading channel, guys. Okay, so if you guys want to get that, make sure that you guys click on that link and join it, and it's all for free. Okay, but I'll be revealing it one by one, so if you guys still want to see how we do our analysis and how we look at the market, definitely you could join us, follow us until the end of our live streaming sessions. But if you guys are happy and right now you want to see those price target, definitely you could right now check out our link on our bio, on our profile, and join our free trading channel. Okay, so what else on the market? So we're actually looking at a very good signs coming out of the market, that other than gold, we're actually looking at a very good signs coming out of silver as well, because silver market movement is following gold, so we are likely to see a healthy market movement coming out of it. So let us check on it right now. So last night we do share out this silver signal, so we do give out a buy signal, and we actually hit back towards our third profit target around $31.30. So if you guys have been following us, you could be getting a much more detailed early details on our channel, guys. Okay, so we have been sharing it part early, so okay, so we do hit the profit target and we do enter near $30.80, so we hit around 50 pips, and 50 pips in silver market is quite much, guys. Okay, so we are doing a pretty good job last night on almost all front of our trades, guys. Okay, congrats if you guys have been following us, and we are sharing these signals every day with you guys. So if you guys wanted to get more information and you guys want to get that early part of the signals, make sure that you guys check out on our signal channel right on our bio link, guys. Okay. Okay. All right. So maybe I think we have already been sharing gold signal and silver signal. I'll be much more happy to wait and see because we have already missed out on this good entry point near here. So I'm seeing these consolidations forming up on this side of the charts here. So I'll be much more happy to wait and see how the market works near those price actions. And I'm much more Alright. So I'll be much more happy to wait and see. But definitely I'll be sharing the signal on the silver side. Okay, so right now I'll be typing up that silver signal so you guys could follow our trading plan, guys. So I'm writing up on our signal right now. So if you guys wanted to know how you guys could do this trade on the silver, you could check out our profile. Alright guys, so welcome welcome to our live streaming sessions, guys. So I know that we do pause on some of the channels. Alright, so let us see how the market works. So overall, I've already been saying that I've been pretty much bearish on gold and silver on the long term, but since we are getting some reversal confirmations coming out of the market, so I'm likely to see some important market movements that could be beneficial for us on gold as well as on the silver. Alright, right now let us check back what happened on the US dollar index, guys. Okay, so US dollar index started to slow down after gaining back some strength after the early reports coming out from Russia. And right now we're actually looking at the possibility that market movement on the US dollar index could be getting slower after unable to break out higher than what we are seeing, a possible ascending triangle. So that's not a good thing coming out of the market. And overall, if you look up on this daily time frame, it seems that US dollar index hasn't been able to grow stronger after hitting quite high grounds in a say a very short period of time. In just 5 trading days, up by almost 3 to 4%. So that's not a very good thing on the trading world, and there will be some corrections, a healthy corrections I would say, and we'll see how the next market movement goes. But it seems that it's a bit pressured, so I'm not expecting good things coming out from the US dollar index. It could be started to slow down on the market. So make sure that you guys do stay tuned and watch out for it, guys, okay? Because I'm expected that with this slower US dollar index, it could be really help gold to go higher. As well, we are likely to see some rebounds coming up from the Japanese yen, because it seems that the escalation started to slow down with the market reacting on it. As you guys could see, Japanese yen index also started to slow down on this side of the charts as well. So as you guys could open up, okay, so you guys could see that the Japanese yen currency index started to slow down as well. Overall, we are starting to see US dollar start to slow down together alongside with the US dollar, as well as the Swiss franc itself. So it means that people's expectations regarding the escalations happening on that early report started to wane, and we are likely to see good market actions coming out from the other side of the chart. So for example, with the weaker US dollar, we could be seeing that gold could be going higher on the short term, so you could see here. Oops, we haven't hit our third profit target. Let me erase it. So we are entering our trades near 2637, and we have already put stop losses pretty far away. But if anything goes wrong, I'll be updating you guys, and we'll be readjusting our view on the gold market. So this is what we have done. Yesterday we have earned quite much on our trades, and the signal is just below. So if you guys want to see the proof, you could check out here, or if you guys want to get the proof, you could check out our channel as well. Okay, so everything has been quite on track with our view. Gold market should be going higher, especially we know after correcting quite much, I'm expecting a rebound happening, and it's already been going through with our scenario since yesterday. Yesterday we already made a profit of around 2,500 pips, and that's a very good amount. Alright, so seems prices are heading higher. So I think it's in line with our view that the US dollar index started to slow down, and we could be seeing some good market reactions coming out of it. So for instance, we could be trying and look at the possibility that the US stock market could be heading higher if the US dollar index started to slow down, meaning that there's less risk of investment, because when the value of US dollars goes down, it means that there's a lot more opportunity coming out from the risky assets such as gold, maybe US stock market, and probably the most riskiest assets coming out of all is cryptocurrency market as well. Okay, so everything has a correlations between one another, and one trading pair could be affecting the other trading pairs as well. So it's already been the case where we are actually seeing that right now US dollar index started to weaken, and the Japanese yen is still holding quite high as well. So I'm likely to see some rebounds coming out, for example, coming from the GBP USD. That could be one of the choices if you guys want to buy down on the low side of it, because we've already been correcting quite much. So this could be one of the good trading signals coming out of the market. GBP USD as well. If you guys open up on this chart, you could see that Euro USD could be a good bargain buying on the dip. It's on the low side of it, so we could be finding some good chances to buy on the low side of it, and we could be making some money off the trades as well, because initially it has been correcting quite much, and this could be offering a healthy rebound for those trades as well. So maybe let us try to buy some Euro USD, GBP USD. Maybe let us try to check which currency is right now is the strongest, and we can trade against the US dollar. So Australian dollar USD, NZD USD could be one of the much better choices. So I'll be heading towards NZD USD and as well as on the Australian US dollar, guys. Okay, so let us check and see which currency is our best choice right now. And it seems that both choices are pretty well. New Zealand dollar USD, Australian dollar USD is quite well, so you can try to buy around here, and we could put some of our signals near here and try to aim around the high of it. Could be offering a pretty huge margin as well. So Australian dollar USD could be a good choice. New Zealand dollar USD also could be one of the great choices as well, guys. Alright, so I'm seeing good chances. Maybe you guys could consider about it. If you guys do trade on the other side of trades, if you guys do trade on the Forex side. Okay, so it's back after hitting the low side of it, and it seems that a rebound is meant to happen because US dollar has started to go so strong, and we are likely to see that the US dollar index to slow down afterwards. But before that, let me take some time and review what is the best actions that we could have taken right now, because other than the currency market, we could actually be trading on the US stock market as well, such as the US 30. So we do enter the trades here, and I believe we have already triggered our stop losses. So when we hit our stop losses, we will be letting you guys know, because we are very transparent about it. Stop losses hit, and let us see, guys. Okay, stop losses hit on US 30, US 100. I think I've already been sharing it, but we do get a pretty safe margin coming out of it. So I believe the US 100 signal hasn't been hit, the stop losses. And for US 500, I believe it's also the same case. We're actually getting a very good rebound coming out of it. So I'm thinking that you guys could consider put some positions on it as well, guys. Okay. So we do share out these signals yesterday on our channel, and I think that right now you guys could be entering even lower on our entry prices, but still have the same stop losses, guys. Okay, so I highly suggest that you guys could check it out on our free trading channel, because I already shared that signal yesterday. And I have already certain to say that our signal are still running, guys. Okay, so definitely you guys, if you guys want to get this trading signal right now on your site, you could definitely try to check out our link right now. Click on that link and get this US 500 SP 500 trading signal, and it's all for free. So I highly suggest that you guys could check that out for now. Okay, Okay, so I'm looking at very good consolidations on this side, forming up, I would say almost a double bottom for now, could be forming on this side and going higher afterwards. So I'm still pretty much bullish on the US stock market, and I've already mentioned multiple times, I'm still pretty much bullish and here, and we have already been making lots of profits coming out of this signal, so I'm still pretty much optimistic coming out of this trades, guys. Okay, so bullish and initiate a buy positions. Maybe yes, we know that we have already been getting a huge corrections here, and this could be offering us a very low entry point, and I've already shared the trading plan there, so you guys could check it out if you guys are interested to get this kind of signals right now. Okay, so US30, the signals I've already shared here as well. We hit our stop losses on this trade because market movement are a bit volatile on this side of the charts. So whenever we hit stop losses, we'll be letting you guys know, and we also hit the stop losses here. So US30 hasn't been a good trade for us, but we do mostly trade on gold. The US stock market recently has been giving us very good choices because we are buying at the low side of it here, near here. So we actually, I would say we do break even on the trades that we done, and we give out a pretty reasonable stop losses as well, 40, around 150, yeah. So it's pretty reasonable ones because we already earned back quite much on the previous signals. Okay, so for now, US30 I'll be much more on the waiting side, guys, and US 500 definitely is one of the best choice right now, together with the US 100, really offering us a very good consolidations on this side of the charts, guys. So both US 100 and US and on the previous last week signals, we have already made around $400 worth of the market movement. So if you guys love to get this kind of signals and you guys wanted to get more on it, right now you could check out our home profile and click on that link, guys. Okay, alright, so if you guys have any other questions related to trading, and if you guys wanted to know more, if you guys have any questions about risk management and about any other, maybe you guys do trade on individual stocks, I'm happy to talk about it with you guys and give you guys my opinion on it, guys. Alright, so maybe let us check back how our trade has been doing on this gold chart. So we have already been doing this gold chart trading for quite some times, and we have actually made a profit last night around 2,500 pips. So if you guys are new, welcome, and we have already shared these signals early on our live streaming session. So if you guys want to trade on it, maybe you can try to enter higher if you guys aren't patient enough, and enter, let's say you do enter $1.50 higher, and you could set your stop losses a bit higher by $1.50. So our analysis on the gold market is pretty clear. We have already been seeing that gold has been correcting itself quite much since last week on this part of the chart. It's been dropping quite much, and I'm expecting after such a huge drop, so in a trend, whether it's uptrend, whether it's downtrend, you gotta see that there is always gonna be a higher high, lower low, higher high, low, higher low, lower high, lower low. And right now, from what I'm seeing, coming out from the top reversal coming out of the gold side. So let me open up on the daily time frame. So as you guys could see here on the chart, we're actually looking that on this trend we are actually seeing those market movements. So this is the start of the reversal here. So we are looking at this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we are likely to hit our lower high at around the peak at around 2,650 plus. Maybe we could be getting some volatility because tonight we'll be having some news, so I'm expected that the market movement could be offering us something. Okay, so I believe that maybe you guys couldn't see the charts here just now. So this chart on the side, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and another lower high right now forming on the right hand side of the charts, guys. Okay, so that you guys could. So this is our trading signals for tonight, because I'm expecting that we will be hitting on our very last part of the trading side. So I'm expecting that it could be hitting near 2650. So I've already given out the first target price, and I'll be refilling more after we hit our first profit target, guys. Okay, so you guys could join us and wait out for it. Or if you guys wanted to get more early details, you could check out our home profile. Click on that link right now so you guys could get the much detailed trading plan right now on your hands. So I highly suggest that you guys could do that. If not, you guys could join with us until the end of the live streaming sessions, and I'll be updating anything if you guys need it to know. I will be re-updating the stop losses after my live streaming ends, so that you guys could still stay on the trades and maybe get some guidance how you guys could do on our trading signals that I've been sharing with you guys. Okay, and actually I've already been sharing silver signals, and I've already given my analysis that I'm still pretty much seeing some hopes that it could be hitting higher grounds, and I've already given out also the trading signals on our free trading channel. So make sure that you guys could check out on it right now if you guys wanted to get more on these trading signals, because I'm seeing the consolidations forming on this silver side here, and then it could be going higher, hitting back towards $31.50, $31.60. So if you guys wanted to get the much clearer versions of today's signals on silver side, you could definitely check out our home profile right now and get free trading plan on the signal trading side. Alright, so maybe we have already been talking about gold, we have already been talking about silver, and we have already been talking about the US dollar. I think we are still missing something out of our trades tonight, and I believe we could be making some trades on the currency sides right now, the Forex sides. And if you guys have any other questions related to trading, and if you guys have any thoughts about the market, where do you guys think the market is heading right now? I know that it has been quite a volatile month if you guys look on the daily charts, especially coming up from the stock market. Stock market has been quite volatile on almost the global counterparts, no matter where you are. If you're from UK, from US, definitely it has been quite a big jump up and down. It's not a smooth uptrend as you guys could see over the past few years. So I believe it could be a hard time, but it has been the norm for these days. So I'm expected that market movement could be heading towards much more volatile and huge volatility until the end of the year. Stock market and maybe cryptocurrency could be one of the choices as well, guys, because gold usually goes higher and Bitcoin could also be going higher. So let us take a look on it. Alright, so it seems that Bitcoin has been actually building up on this very healthy consolidations right now, and I highly suggest that you guys could take some buy positions on it, because I've been pretty bullish on the Bitcoin market, and I've already been recommending multiple signals on the Bitcoin side. And if you guys buy per one Bitcoin, you guys could have been getting this kind of profit margin on your trades, guys. Okay, so we've already been entering quite a few times on the trades, and I highly suggest that right now we could also be entering the trades now, guys. Okay, buy some Bitcoin. That's my suggestions to you, because I think prices are quite high, and I don't think I'll be recommending any trading plan for now. But definitely I suggest you guys could buy some and hold on to it. Make sure you guys put your stop losses near here. 91,000, 90,000 could be good, because market movements are heading higher from what I could see right now. there's still some safety that people are looking out of their trades, and we could be seeing that US dollar going down could be a positive signs for the US stock market. And definitely I've already been sharing some signals on there on our channel, so if you guys wanted to get those trading signals right now, you could check out on it. And with the strength coming out from the Japanese yen, it seems that gold should be going higher together with Bitcoin as well as the US stock market. So actually it has been building up very good consolidations over huge price jumps over the last few weeks, and this could be a good buying momentum on the US stock market. And on the currency side right now, if you look on this currency strength charts, it seems that market movement has been showing us that it could be a good time for us to try to trade on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we'll be trading on the US dollar Japanese yen once more, guys. So as actually last night we have been trading on the US dollar Japanese yen market. Here we are selling the price targets here, so it seems that we have already made some trades on it. We are selling near the high last night, and this could be a good time for us to start selling it to the lower side of it as well. And we hit our third profit target yesterday. And we do hit our profit target near 154.5, guys. Okay, that's our final trading plan last night. So if you guys are interested to get more information before we end our live streaming sessions, you could definitely check out for more details. On our channel. Okay, so right now I'll be sharing you guys another sell signals because I'm seeing US dollar are weakening, and we could be making some trades coming out of it, seeing the weaknesses. So I'll be selling US dollar Japanese yen 153.8, and prices has been dropping since then, guys. Okay, so 153.9, we can put a stop loss a bit higher, 154.1. And since we last night hit our target price pretty quick, and I have already refilled the second price target, for now I will be trying to aim near 153.65, guys. Okay, and okay, so I've already shared these trading signals with you, given you guys the first profit target for tonight on the US dollar Japanese yen. Because it seems market movement are heading lower and lower, as you guys could see. We've already been profiting out of it last night, so I'll be just moving it higher so you guys could see much more. On the US dollar Japanese yen, we are entering the trades at 153.8, and we are heading to lower grounds right now. Please, and We are likely to see this is a very healthy corrections, and we are likely to see it rebound near 2630. Otherwise, I'll be trying to switch back our stop losses on this side for trade, guys. Okay. Okay, for now, let us try to pay attention towards good market movement coming out from Bitcoin breaking out higher, 92,470, and maybe you guys could try to enter near here and put your stop losses at around 91,000, which could be a very good entry point for you guys as well. And we'll see, guys, how the market movement goes, because it still seems that market movement could be heading higher and higher. We are facing a little bit of setbacks, even though right now I would say it could be a bit risky, guys, honestly, but it's breaking higher grounds, and this could be the signs of Bitcoin market could be going higher and higher. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, because we already been trading on it for quite some time on the Bitcoin market, and this could be our next choice to trade as well. Okay, so I'm likely to be much more bullish on Bitcoin if it's able to give you guys those signals, so that you guys could get a much better entry point. Definitely that's the case, and we are likely to see market movement could be going high afterwards. So this is the last week signal, so I won't be sharing more on that because we already passed through it and we have already been profiting out of it. So we'll just focus on this current chart movement. So I'm actually looking at a very healthy market movement coming out of it here, building up on these consolidations. I'm seeing also a possible cup and handle formations on this 1 hour chart. So we are likely to wait and see, but certainly the signs are there. We are actually looking at very good consolidations on this Bitcoin chart. Okay, so I'll be happy to wait and see how the market movement works afterwards. Then we could be entering our trades on the Bitcoin side. Let's get back towards the gold side of the chart. Alright, it seems that gold market movement started to slow down as well, so I'll be much more cautious and I'll be upping our stop losses as well near 2626, because it seems market movement started to slow down, because surprisingly we are seeing that the US dollar index started to slow down together with the gold market, which has usually never been the case, guys, but it happens. But US dollar index started to gain back some gains, and we are likely to see market movement going to slow down on the gold side of the charts. So I've already been switching back to our stop losses pretty high at 2626 than the previous 2615, because I'm likely to see there is some toppings here, because as I've already mentioned that gold market could be slowing down after hitting near 2650, and market movement hasn't been healthy near here, guys. Okay, so I'm taking a bit more cautious approach on this side of the chart and try to see how we can trade safely. But definitely the stop losses that we are offering right now are still pretty much good. 26 could be a very good stop losses right now, and we could be seeing some good chances coming out of this right now. Okay, so if you guys has just joined us on our live streaming sessions, welcome guys. And if you guys wanted to get this earlier details on our target price, you could check out our profile. Click on that link right now so that you guys could get an earlier trading plan from our side, guys. Okay, so what can we see coming out of this market? Started slow down, expected there will be some reversal, so maybe right now could be a good time to check us back on the US dollar Japanese yen trading charts that we have already seen. So it seems that on this trading chart, market movement started to rebound, and we are close back towards our first entry prices, so no big surprises coming out of it. But I'm still seeing very good signs, and I'm not concerned about our trades on this side compared to the gold. Gold market movement hasn't been that well, and I'm likely to see market movement to go lower on the US dollar Japanese yen, with the strength coming out from the Japanese yen dollar currency. Alright, so welcome. Sorry for the delays and the interruptions on the market. So right now on the US dollar Japanese yen, we are looking at a very good signs. It's heading lower and lower from our signals. So if you guys are late and you guys wanted to get much earlier trading plans right now, you could join our live trading sessions much earlier. Our home profile right now, click on that link so you guys could be getting those trading plans on gold as well as silver much earlier right now. So gold has started to go back higher, and it could be giving us a very good entry point right now. So if you guys are new, welcome to our live streaming sessions, but definitely buying gold near our entry prices ranges around 2630 to 631 could be a very good choice for you guys right now. So I highly suggest that price action started to slow down, so we could be getting a very low risk and high reward scenario on this part of the trade. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get this much clearer target price, happy to let the trading plan run on its own. If we hit our stop losses, we are doing it on the right way because we are seeing good consolidations here. We are expecting prices to go higher. If anything goes wrong, we'll be letting our trading plan work on its own, guys. Okay, so it's very important that you guys have a clear trading plan, and if you have already set your rules, you're going to adjust your stop losses when market, but still make sure that our trading plan could work as well. Okay. All right. So gold could be started to slow down, but we have already given out the necessary as well. So stop losses has been good. Target price has already been set. If you guys wanted to get more of the target price, you could check out our home profile. Click on that link so you guys could join our free trading signal channel group. All right, let us see. We are actually looking at the US stock market started to correcting itself lower, so that's not a big surprise. One thing is correlated to the other side of the charts. We are actually looking at the US dollar index. On this chart of side, started to go stronger just now, started to rebound near here, going higher. So that's why we started to see the slowdown coming up from the US stock market. Started to slow down, even though we're still bullish. We already set out the trading plan on most of the trading side. US 500 could be breaking down lower. Let us see, guys. Okay. All right, so the gold chart is still doing quite well. So if you guys have traded for quite some times and you guys wanted to get more information buy gold at those entry prices, and we have already offered you guys the stop losses necessary that you guys could have followed. So everything has been going well on the trades. Our trading plan are still in place, so I won't be bothering it with much market movement, and we'll see how the market works, guys. Okay, because our job as a trader is reacting to the price action, is not predicting it. So I'll be letting it to move and see where the market brings us next, guys. Okay, because certainly the case right now on gold should be going higher. Alright, so welcome to our live streaming sessions, guys. And right now our trading plan has been working. And so if you guys has just joined us, we actually looking at gold market started to rebound right at our lower basis of our entry prices. So if you guys have been following us, I believe you guys should have been at a floating profit right now. So it has been a very good case for you guys to trade, and everything has been going on track with our view. So I'm actually quite interested in your view, guys. Okay, so what do you see on the market right now? What are your views on the market for now? Maybe you can let me know on the comments and share your insights and your opinion on the market currently, guys. Okay, I'm very much interested on your view as well. So where do you guys think gold market could be heading now? Okay, can you let me know on the comments and type in. If you're bullish on the gold market, you can type in bull, and you can tell me your reasons and what you really see on the market. And if you guys are bearish, you could also let me know, and I'm very much interested in your opinion, guys. Okay, okay, so if you guys wanted to get a much more clear trading plan on this trading signal, one of the things that you could have done is try to check out our home profile and click on that link, so you guys could get the much more detailed versions of this trading plan right now on your hands. Okay, alright, so there's a request coming up from Paul. Can you check out on Bitcoin? Okay, so actually we have already been checking on it just a few moments ago, but alright, we'll be checking it back right now with you guys, no worries. So Bitcoin market has actually been quite interesting. It has been consolidating for quite some times, and I'm expecting that from the current market movement that I'm seeing on the Bitcoin market, we have already been entering signals since the last 2 weeks on the Bitcoin side, and we actually made some profits. If you guys buy per 1 Bitcoin, we actually are still in a floating profit, even though we have already set our stop losses. On the third signal we do, on the fourth signals we do have taken profit near 191,000, but for now I'm much more happy to wait and see on the market, because after hitting back near the high around 93,000, 92,000, it seems that there has been some pretty strong resistance coming out of this side of trades. And I'm much more happy to wait and see, making sure that the market movement could be heading higher, whether this is building up a very good healthy consolidations near on this side of the charts, and then we can be trying to make some buy positions above 92,800 for much more safety. If you guys are a bit impatient, definitely you guys could try to buy near 92,600, could be also a very good entry point for you guys. But definitely, if you guys wanted to get much more executable signals right now on your site, you could check out our home profile, click on that link above, so you guys could be trading with our signals on multiple assets. We are trading on gold, we are trading on silver as well. So if you guys are interested on Bitcoin, I'll be sharing some of the signals when we have hit a pretty decent numbers on it, so that you guys could also trade on it. But for now, we are much more focused on the other side. We are focused on the silver side of the trade, and we actually do trade on the US dollar Japanese yen market as well. So if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals right now that you guys could use and make money on your own right now, you could definitely check out our home profile, click on that link, and we have already been sharing multiple signals on gold, on silver, that right now that you guys could use and trade on your own right now, guys. Okay, but if you guys are happy and wanted to trade on cryptocurrencies, I highly suggest that you guys should have been waiting and see how the market movement works later on. So what are your opinions on Bitcoin? Are you guys still bullish on the market? Actually, I'm quite interested on your view, guys. Okay, maybe you guys can comment and let me know what do you guys think on the Bitcoin market right now. Okay, so type in the comments down below and let me know on the comments, guys. Okay. Alright, thank you very much guys for your likes and your comments, but I'm happy to hear your opinions on the market. But definitely I'm still pretty much bullish on the market, but I'm likely to wait and see and get a much better entry point on the trades on the Bitcoin side, guys. Okay. Okay, so for now, maybe let us try to shift our view. Bitcoin has been quite a good trade for us, and we actually have been entering the trades on gold, and currently we are already in a floating profit. If you guys have been following us for quite some time, because we have already been entering at the lower part of these entry prices when prices has been going down lower, and we have actually made some trades on this side of the trades, guys. Okay, so yes, we do quite bearish on it, but we do find some good positions on this side of consolidations, and I'm expecting a lower high, lower low rebound coming off the market, and we have started to make some entry point, and right now we are looking at a very good profit margin on our trades. If you have been entering late at our 2637, we are back there, and right now we have already gotten the confirmations that we need that the market is heading higher for gold. So if you guys wanted to get these signals much earlier on the next profit target, right now what you guys could do is check out the home profile, click on that link so that you guys could join us now and you guys could trade on more free trading signals right now. Okay, so what's next on the market? It seems that market has been doing very well, and I'm likely to see huge market movement on the other side of the trades because we have already been recommending multiple signals, including gold, silver, as well as the US stock market. So maybe right now we could try to check back on the other side of the trade. We have been recommending US dollar Japanese yen on our live trading sessions just now. So maybe let us take a bit of a look and see how the market has been working. So actually we have already made a quite huge profit coming out of this market. And we have officially hit our first profit target near here. So congrats if you guys have been following us, because we already hit our first profit target. I'll be refilling our second profit target with you guys. So our next profit target is near the low of here, so 153.35 to 153.4 for our next profit target. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get that third target price right now on your hands, you could definitely check out our home profile and click on that link so you guys could get more of the trading plan right now on your hands. Okay, so there's a request coming up from the JPY. So let us take a look on it right now because it has some correlations, but definitely JPY has been started to go down lower and lower, as you guys could see on this chart, and it's very clear market movement are slowly going down lower. So I'm expected that this market movement should be heading lower, even though I'm seeing the continuations coming out from the US dollar Japanese yen is much better. But definitely you should be selling it. You should be bearish. Sell JPY guys. Okay, that's my recommendations for you. You can try to put the stop loss above 195 and try to take profit around 193.8, 193.9. Or you could, since I'm still looking at a very good downward momentum coming out of this side, so I'm actually looking here, pretty good drop down. So you could be trying to buy it, sell it, and try to aim at the lower part on a bigger lower market movement on the JPY here. Okay, so that's what I could give you recommendations for you, TIPA. And definitely I'm seeing that market action should be going lower. You can try to put your sell signals here, put stop losses at 195, and we'll see how the market movement works. But definitely I'm still much optimistic that the strength coming out from the Japanese yen is quite strong, and we are almost nearing the end of, there will be some big huge market movements, also news coming out as well. So I'm expected that the strength coming out of the Japanese yen could be continuing until the end of this month, guys. Okay, so let us take a back look. Maybe we can try to wait and see how the market works on the Bitcoin side. So Bitcoin market movement started to slow down, keep going lower and lower, guys. Okay, so that's why I've already been saying that maybe it's a good time to wait out and see how the market movement works before we are entering the trades, guys. Okay, because I'm not seeing any good signs right now on the Bitcoin chart. Alright, so if you guys are joining us right now, yep, near that 194.7, that could do well. Okay, 194.8 for the nearest price target. So Bitcoin maybe right now could be a good consolidations at here, 191,300 plus, 191,500 plus, and we could try to buy near here, guys. Okay, so buy near here. Stop losses definitely below 90,000, guys. Okay. Okay. If you guys are trading on the short term, definitely 91,000. But if you guys are doing a much longer term of the price actions, try to put a bigger stop losses, let's say 98, 89,000. So it really depends on your trading style, guys. Okay, so not ads. Okay, do you do courses? So we actually do a bit of courses, but still, since we just started, but we definitely do offer it out in the future. So if you guys are interested, maybe you can check us by checking our profile and click on that link, and you can let us know that you guys wanted to know and learn more, and we will try to help you from there, not ads. Okay. Alright, so for now, maybe not buying near 91,500 could be a good bet, and depends on your trading style. Maybe you're a short-term trader, you could try to put your stop losses a bit near at around 91,000. If you're a bit of a swing trader, you could be putting your stop losses at 89,500. It's a bit huge, but if you guys are a swing trader, that is still an acceptable stop losses range as well. Alright, so since we are almost nearing our live streaming sessions in another 10 minutes, so let me look at the other trading side of the market. Maybe, I think I see that most of you guys are from the UK side right now. Maybe it's a good time for us to discuss what has been happening on the UK stock market. Okay, so UK stock market has been actually doing quite, I would say, in this huge downtrend momentum right now. Okay, so UK stock market has actually been forming on these topping phases for quite some times, and I believe that most of the stock market around Europe has also behaving in the same directions. It seems that the UK stock market has started to slow down, and we are likely to see market to be going down lower, guys. Okay, so if you guys are trading or investing in the UK stocks, I highly suggest that maybe you guys could bit more conservative on your trades, and also definitely try to save some exposure on your cash sides, because I'm seeing that the UK stock market are heading down lower and lower. Why I'm saying that right now? Because the market momentum are heading lower, that's for sure, guys. Right now, that's one of the things that I'm looking at the UK stock market. Second, I'm looking at these topping phases forming up on this chart right now, and it's a very clear downtrend momentum. So I highly suggest that maybe you guys could, if you guys do invest on the UK stock market, try to a bit slow down, try to be a bit more conservative, save some cash on it, and try to see where the market later goes, because I'm expecting that the UK stock market could be heading down lower. Maybe with this downtrend momentum, we are actually looking at the possibility it could be going down lower near 7,900 at its very nearest price target, guys, on this UK stock market. And afterwards, we could be seeing some small rebounds from here. So I'm seeing the possible scenario coming up from this UK stock market is we are likely to see this possible scenario going down near here, have a small rebound probably near here or there, and then we could be seeing market movement to go lower here. Okay, so I'm expecting that the market movement will be moving in these directions on the UK stock market, and maybe this could be a good chance for you to start doing some sell positions, small positions, put stop losses above here, and try to see how the market works. Because definitely right now could be a good time to start putting some short positions, guys. Okay. And if you guys have any other questions outside of the Forex, commodities, anything related to trading, maybe you guys do trade in the stocks, and you guys do have some concerns or some inquiries related to it, you could definitely let me know, and I'll take a look for it for you guys. So let me know in the comments if you guys do think you have some concerns on your trades, and I'll be happy to let you guys know what are my opinions on it. Alright, so let us check back on our main star for tonight. We have been trading for gold. It seems that market movement on the gold side hasn't been doing very well for tonight, but overall our trading plan is still in works, it's still in place, and I'm likely to see our trading plan could be hitting its profit target near after our live streaming sessions end. So if you guys wanted to get much more clearer information on that trading signals, I highly recommend it that you guys could check out our home profile right now, click on that link, and you guys could get this much detailed version of these trading signals right now. Okay, maybe since we're entering the final part of our sites, maybe I'll be reviewing most of our signals. See anything goes wrong, and maybe since you guys have been following us for quite some times, maybe I can teach you guys something related to trend, because I've been trading using trend following method for quite some time, and it has been helpful for me. So I hope that I could help you guys on that side. Okay. So right now I'll be teaching you guys how to look at the trend, but before that I'll be reviewing our signals that we have shared on these live streaming sessions. So it seems that our signals on here has been doing well, the lowest side at 153.46. So I think we'll be heading towards the lower part of it. So make sure that you guys stay tuned on it, and I believe that we have already been securing profits on this USD Japanese yen at the first profit target, and we are likely to see market to go lower. And before that, Bitcoin USD still going lower, so that's why I suggest that we put a very small positions, because I'm not that optimistic that tonight's market movement has been quite healthy. So I'm a bit more wait and see, but this is just a suggestions that you guys could do. A very small limit and also a very small exposure on it as well. Alright, so maybe right now I could teach you something how that you guys could look on the market on the gold side of the charts. Okay, so let me teach you something. So how do we see market trends right now? So it's very easy that right now I'll be teaching you guys something about market trends. Before our live streaming sessions ends. So how do we okay, so first usually we'll be taking a bigger look on it, on the trend, by really pushing out on the charts, see where the market directions are heading, guys. Okay, so we do actually look, market trends are pretty clear for us. So market is going up and down on the market, guys. Okay, and it has been pretty clear. So if you guys look on this side of the chart, we're actually looking from this side around September, market has been going higher and higher. Okay, so it's very clear that when market prices are going higher, it has been going up, and when it has been started to slowly going down lower, we're actually looking at going down lower. Alright, so how do we do and draw market trends? Okay, so we could actually first try to draw trend lines to identify where the market is going, guys. Okay, so usually if you guys wanted to learn how to do this, you could follow us, because I'll be teaching you guys something how I do feel on the market on the trading side. So first, if you guys seeing that the market are heading higher, definitely right now it's very clear gold market is heading higher. So one of the things that you guys could do is try to find the lower points of the chart. So if you guys could see, so we try to find the lower side of the charts at the lowest price before it had higher. So before this market goes higher, we're actually trying to find the lowest point of the charts. So it really depends on how you feel in the market. So it's really subjective how you see the market. So let's say I want to find the lowest point of prices before gold prices are going higher. So for this case, I'll be trying to find this low. It turns out around 1,600. So we can try to draw the trend line from this side of the chart. So we make sure that you guys try to find the lines here, trend line, and then you try to draw it down the low of it and try to find the lower side of it. So you need to find the connecting dots for this trend line to be building up perfectly well by connecting it at the lower part of this lower side of the chart. So by drawing a trend line, we are trying to connecting the dots of the lower part of the charts. So on this chart, we are actually seeing the candlestick that is at the lowest point of the charts from the lowest point of it. And we try to draw the trend line hitting the next lowest point charts on the next candles. And if you guys wanted to draw it going lower and lower, we could actually just extend it, make sure that the lines and the dots connect to one another. So if we don't find any dots afterwards, that means that the market is heading higher, and we could be seeing that the market could be continuing to go higher than that. So usually I'll be cloning this up, and we could be seeing that this is the market trend that we are looking on the market. So on the lower side of it, we'll be trying to connect the dots on the lower side. If we are trying to draw on the upper line of it, we try to connect the dots on the higher places of it. So in this case, we'll try to draw the line, clone the line, so we could see a same and a symmetrical line of the trend chart. So you guys could see right now on this chart, we are actually getting to draw the trend lines that we are looking by connecting the dots at its highest price. So with that, we could actually be getting a very clear market trend of the gold directions. So that's how I see the market first, guys, okay? And with that, we could officially say we have already drawn a trend line, and this is the end result of it. However, we know that sometimes our trend lines has just stopped at certain point like here, and we could be drawing another trend line to see there's actually a possible changes of trend, whether the trend is going faster and higher, and right now it seems that is the case on this gold chart. So with that, you could actually draw another trend line and try to connect the dots from these new charts. So let's say you see that the trend line at the lowest price before it goes higher than that, try to find the lower part of this, okay? So if you guys could see, alright, before that we are seeing this the lower part of it, and we try to connect the low part of it here, here, and here. But we'll see, because we try to connect the dots that don't really run away from our trade. So this is the low part of it, so I'll be trying to make sure it didn't go above than that. And the next lower part of the chart should be here, but we are still above that, so that means we don't need to follow it, and we need to draw it going higher. Alright, so it seems that this is the trend chart that we are looking at, and I'll be cloning it up as well, so that we have a symmetrical trend chart. Okay, so this is the highest price, and I'll be letting it to draw on that chart. Okay, so right now we actually see that we have this trend line forming up on these trading charts, showing that this is the trend going on, meaning that we are likely to see market movement to be heading higher and going quite fast after hitting this breaking line. So this is one of the things that I could teach you right now, guys. So that's how I draw trend lines. We are trying to connect the lower dots on the lower part of the trend line and connecting the higher dots on the upper trend line. and with that we could actually get this result. We are looking at this market trend, so it is initially going higher. Before even breaking higher, we need to see the new trend momentum coming up from this. It's going even faster than the previous trend line because it has been adjusting beyond it, and we draw another second trend line, and things has been going too fast, and it seems that market has been going slower afterwards. So I hope that these lessons could help you, because I'm more of a swing trader and I'm trying to look at the overall trends, and that's how I really look. How do you guys try to identify a trends? And this is how I do it, guys. Okay, I hope that you guys do learn something out of it, because this could definitely help you guys on trading to look at the overall bigger picture. And right now we are using daily time frame charts, so we are really looking at the bigger time frame of the charts, because we are drawing this trend line starting from the low at 2022 until 2024. So it's already almost a 2-year data charts in total, and we have already identified the clear trend. So if we are seeing that the trend of this chart and price actions are still within the limits of this uptrend channel, it means that the market is still going on an uptrend. Especially if the uptrend is still within the second uptrend line, it means that we are in a very strong uptrend. That is the case on this gold chart, guys. Okay, so it's a very simple thing that you guys could try to exercise on your own charts. Try to find the dots on the lower side of it, try to connect it to the next chart, and make sure that you guys have this smooth and a higher uptrend line, and try not to connect every dots, but making sure that your line is connected to its lower side of the dots without really destroying, and try to make sure that you get every single candle. No, it's not the way to do it. So make sure, try to hit the lower dots of every single candlestick on this trend and try to connect it, and usually on the upper trend line I'll be just cloning it up to really get that same symmetrical line on this uptrend channel. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys, but right now let us try to review what has been happening on our signal side, because I'll be ending my live streaming session soon, so I'll be giving you guys a bit of review what we have already been sharing, and let us see. Okay, so we do share two signals for tonight on this live streaming sessions. One is on the gold side. We actually made a bit of profit coming out of it. Not yet a big profit, guys. So for tonight we haven't made a profit, and we are still in a floating loss, I would say, at around $3 from our initial entry points. But if you guys do enter at multiple times, you guys could be entering at 2,631, 2,630. Even there is also the case where it also drops towards those lower entry prices. Definitely you guys could also still hold on the trades, and we have already adjusted the stop losses, so that means we are still running this trade on our side. Next, I've also been sharing the US dollar Japanese yen trades, and we have already been sharing our second signal, and we have already been hitting our first profit target. So what I could suggest that you guys could do is try to set your stop losses at the first profit target or near it. Okay, so if prices started to go higher than we expect, then you guys could still secure some of profit at 130, 153.75. So if anything happens, you are just breaking even on your trades. If not, we have already been taking profit on it. Okay, so we have already taken profit of it, and I think that's the overall review what we have on the signals that we have been sharing tonight. So if you guys wanted to get more trading signals like the ones we are sharing here, one of the things that you guys could do is check out our profile, click on that link, so that you guys could get free trading signals that you guys could use right now on your trades. If not, you could also follow us, join our live streaming sessions from 11 AM UK time until 14 PM UK time, guys. Okay, so we are doing these live streaming sessions for 3 hours, and we have two traders. One, I'm Steven, and you could also be following Jaden's sessions. So This week he will be doing the first session and I'm doing the second session this week. So if you guys wanted to get market analysis from our site and hear what we have on the market, you could definitely check us out, because we'll be giving you guys the analysis, what's happening on the market, and we'll be explaining what has been happening on the market and try to find a good entry point to trade and make some money together. Alright, so if you guys wanted to get more information and get more trading signals after our live streaming sessions ends, you could check out our home profile, click on that link, and you will be notified with any new trading signals that we have for you guys later on. Okay, so I'll be ending tonight's live streaming sessions. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, because we will be doing this every day from Monday to Friday, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See you.